Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, we're in this nice area. As you can see, my friend's gonna fly his drone as well. My friend's over here, and yeah, I'm gonna take off. So without further ado, all right. So up in the air, as you can see, really nice area. We're in a place called Abbey, and I'm gonna go up to the max height, and then we're gonna do a 360 photo. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to do a 360 photo. You can see the plane taking off. London City Airport is that side. So I'm just going to go to panoramic mode, take a 360 photo. Alright, so 360 photo is now complete. We're going to then zip around now. So yeah, we've got these nice buildings over here. I'm going to explore that. We're going to go that side. See the plane taking off as well from London City Airport, which is far that side. So yeah, as you can see, there's some buildings here. We're going to orbit that. We're going to go around it. We even got Sainsbury's over here. I'm going to go a little bit lower down so we can get a nice shot. Look at that, it's insane. Let's go a little bit higher, just to make sure we don't lose range. We can explore the top of the building as well.
Hello?
Hello.
Check if it's charged.
Let me. It's not charged, it's dead as well. Check another battery.
I checked 3 of them, it's not charged.
Oh, then I don't know then. Did I charge my power bank?
What, the battery or
Yeah, yeah. If you want to. Do you want to charge it? Yeah, plug it in. I'm doing my drone flight. Alright, so I'm going to orbit around. As you can see, let's check out this building close by. See what it looks like on the top of it. Really good shot.
1 minute?
Alright. We've got another building over here. Just gonna go this side. I'm gonna go a little bit higher. And we're just gonna, this is the station, as you can see, Abbey Station. I'm gonna follow the road that's coming here towards the area where I'm flying. Look at that shot, insane. Right, what else? This is a little roundabout here, we're going to orbit that as well. So the bus is nearby me right now. What else can we explore? There's a little crane over here, let's explore this area. It's going to go low down and get a low down shot of this area. See the bus pull up right over there. And orbit around this area. Look at that insane shot. We get a shot of the bus as well. I want to explore this way as well, so let's go this way. I mean, I've been this way already, but I want to get a low-down shot of the roads. Alright, let's go down. See the bus station, that's the Abbey station as well, as you can see. And go further down as well, a little bit further over here. You can see there's a little Sainsbury's over here. Let's check this little Sainsbury's out. We've even got a roundabout over here. What else is down here? We can go a little further. Let's go towards this area a little bit. Look at that shot. We're going to go a bit too far, so I'm just going to stay around there. Let's get a shot of here. Let's explore this area while we're here. Look at these amount of buildings. Maybe next time when I come here I can fly this area. So anyway, we're gonna head back now. So I think this area is nearly developed. As you can see, there's a lot of new buildings here. I'm gonna come back. Let's get a high shot. So today's a nice day, there's no wind at all.
Where's your phone?
Right there.
But I can't see.
Right there. Up
Up here.
above.
Can't see it.
Right there, look. Right above you. Can you see it?
No, I can't see it. Oh, that. Okay.
Yeah. See that, yeah? I like it. Alright, so we've also got the moon out. Let's just explore the horizon. So we've got this area as well. See, I flew my drone one time in Barking Riverside, and that's all the way down here, north side of the river, and I've come here, south side of the river, on the Elizabeth line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to explore this area as well. Let's go down here. So I don't know what this little area down here. Let's explore this. Looks really nice, this area. It looks really nice in the evening as well. Alright, let's come back. So yeah, we've got a nice road down here. So you can see there's a train going that side. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards this area. See, through the forest you can actually see the road, as you can see. Let's explore this area as well. Big forest down here.
Yes, Kasim, my son. Where's my... Okay, bro.
Alright, so as you can see here, there's a little park over here. You can see a lot of caravans here. It's nice view.
It's getting cold now. It wasn't cold before, it's not very cold.
Yeah, it gets cold. It gets cold during April in the evenings. So it looks like a caravan home club, as I can see in the map. I'm getting a nice orbit shot of that area. So I got a shot of pretty much everything. Alright, so I'm just gonna bring the drone towards me now. Let's turn around quickly. I'm gonna get a shot of this area. Look at that. See the shot of the Elizabeth line? gonna bring the drone back to where I am. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna land the drone now. There's nothing else to get shots of, so it's really nice. Yeah, it's a really nice area to fly. Alright, so that was my drone flight. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll speak to you soon.